The 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.